Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMN examination. Okay, so this question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. It says two particles A and B having charges 20 microcoulomb and 5 microcoulomb respectively are held fixed with a separation of 5 centimeters. So you have been given two charges A and B. Okay, they are separated by a distance of 5 centimeter. At what position a third charged particle should be placed so that it does not experience an net force? So where would be the third particle that you should place? Okay, so obviously if I'm gonna put a test charge over here and let this charge be plus q, so and let this distance, this separation between these charged bodies minus q and plus q is, let it be x meter. Okay, so if I'll place it over here, so what will gonna happen? Because of these two force, because of these two positive charge, it will have a repulsive force in this direction, and because of the negative and positive charge, it would have an attractive force in this particular direction. Okay, since this charge which is having higher magnitude, it is at a larger distance, so that's why this force will gonna balance this force, because this smaller charge, because of the smaller charge, the distance between these two must be small. Okay, if you will place this charge body over here, what will gonna happen? Plus q charge body. Okay, so what will gonna happen if, because since the magnitude of plus 20 coulomb is greater than 5 coulomb and it is at the shortest distance, the force because of this charge would be greater than the force, because the force of attraction because of minus 5 coulomb charge. So it has to placed over here. Okay, since its magnitude is more, so the distance between them should be high. Since its magnitude is less, so the distance between them should be low. Okay, now the forces are balanced, and in this particular situation, if the forces are balanced, it will remain at equilibrium or rest. So now what we're gonna do is, force on q because of 20 microcoulomb must be equal to force on q because of minus 5 microcoulomb. Okay, so what is force on q because of 20? What is the magnitude of force on q because of 20? It would be kq q1 q2, which is 20 micro, which is 10 to the power minus 6 k q1 q2 divided by r square. What is the separation between them? 5 plus x whole square, and it is in centimeters, so you'll be getting 10 raised to power minus 4 in order to convert it into meter. So must be equal to force on q because of minus 5 coulomb charge, which is k 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 is the magnitude of this charge multiplied by q divided by what is separation between them? It is x square. Okay, x meter, so it x centimeter, so it would be x square. So it would be equivalent to 10 raised to power again minus 4, because square of the centimeter is nothing but 10 raised to power, square of the centimeter is nothing but in meter it should be equal to 10 raised to power minus 4. So this is the expression that you are getting. So q will gonna cancel out, k will gonna cancel out, 10 raised to power minus 3 will gonna cancel out, this will also gonna cancel out, so you'll be getting 20 by 5 plus x whole square must be equal to 5 by x square. Okay, 5 4s, so eventually you'll getting this expression as, so it would be 4 times must be equal to 5 plus x whole square divided by x square. Okay, so if it go over there, so you'll be getting 2 must be equal to 5 plus x by x, because if square will go over there, you'll getting root over there. Okay, now our final answer which comes out to be is, or final equation, or you can say it is 5 plus x, so x must be equal to 5. Okay, so the final answer that we are getting is 5. Okay, so the x is in the terms of centimeter, so it would be 5 centimeter from minus 5 microcoulomb on the right side of it. Okay, so you must remember this concept. Even if the answer is in centimeter, so there is nothing to worry, because here we have what we have done is we have converted into meter. But the since the if because if it is in centimeter or the even if it is in micrometer, the answer would be same. So the final answer that you are coming out to be 5. Okay, so it should be 5 centimeter from minus 5 coulomb towards the right. Okay, it cannot be minus this towards between you cannot put it in between also. 5 centimeter towards 20 centimeter on the left, this cannot be also true, because the force because of the 20 microcoulomb would be greater. So the only option that you should get, and at the midpoint between the two charges, this is also not correct, because if you'll put it in between, the magnitude of the repulsive force is greater than the magnitude of the magnitude of the repulsive force is greater than the magnitude of the attractive forces. So it cannot come in if you'll put this charge body in between, so it cannot be at rest, because it would have a net force in the same direction. Okay, so these two forces will gonna add up, so this plus q charge will move towards right, so which is also not true. So the only option that you can get is second option, which is a correct option that you should get. Okay, rest everything is clear. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.